Page 83. Unit 9, E2. Listen how to play snakes and ladders. Then, complete the instructions in the textbook using the words in the box.
Materials: a snakes and ladders board, 2 dice, a cup, a counter for each player. How to play: 1. Each player chooses a counter of a different color. 2. First put all your counters on go. 3. Then each player in turn throws the dice and moves the same number of squares. 4. If you come to the bottom of the ladder, you can go up it. 5. If you come to the top of a snake, you must go down it. 6. The first person to reach 100 is the winner.